Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device. On the application of Clue, you will go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Clue and you will enter. Here you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.